up. My nose on the pressure, man. You went from level 3 to 10. Holy smokes, dude. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Can I come in?
Yes, sir. How you doing, Mr. Jacob?
What's up, man? The sub's doing pretty good?
Still the same ones for 2 years ago.
Nice. Congrats, man. It's good. Anyway, what's your name? What's in here for the video? Go ahead.
So 6 Cosmos Audio 15s, 67600s, 4th order, 2.5 to 1. Everything's Cosmos Audio.
Nice. This is, and you built this?
Yes.
Very nice job. Wow. These are some really big subs, man.
Yeah, about 107 pounds a piece.
170?
107.
7, okay, 100. That's, are these a 3 or 4 inch coil sub?
4-inch coil.
4-inch coil, wow.
They're about 2 years old, still the same size.
They're handling it, man.
I'm on top, get used to it. You not hot, your bitch know it. I'm hot as hell. My youngin' cashing out for bricks, he hot as hell. He put extensions on the stick, he hot as
Hey, what's up, man? Great. What you think of that? Your hair messy now. This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have the N-Series NVX budget level 8-inch subwoofer. The N-Series comes in an 8, 10, or 12-inch sub size. This is the 8-inch size here, rated at 400 watts RMS or 800 watts peak power. It has a 10.5 millimeter X Max and a 90-ounce double stack ferrite magnet with a 2-inch high-temperature copper voice coil with aluminum former, and plays at a range frequency response of 20 to 200 Hz. If you want to learn more, check out links in the description. Thank you for sponsoring this video, NVX.
It's DJ Rusticles. wrist cold. Don't blink, your bitch gone. You been gone for a minute. Yeah, bitch, I'm still on. Still clapping them racks. Still toting big chrome.
Yeah, you're pulling snot my nose on the pressure, man. You went from level 3 to 10. Holy smokes, dude. Woo. Is that on what, 30,000 watts?
Yeah, between 22 to 3200 watts.
32, okay. Yes, sir. Nice to see you again, man. Ooh, thank you for that. That was pretty impressive when you clicked it up.